Charlie's beach vlog down there.
Okay. Ah!
Hello, we're going beach. Transition, ready?
Oh god. So we gave up putting up the windbreaker. Yeah, we did. And we moved next to the boat, so it's like, because I actually have the brains. I was like, why don't we just use the boat as a windbreaker? They want to go in the water, but I'm not.
I'm going in.
Ethan, who are you reading? Joseph Martin Weller. It's not even in focus, I don't think.
Ready to go in. I look like a little goblin.
Well, you are a little goblin, mate. I'm not going in the water, mate.
What's the word goblin? Funny.
It's like gobbler.
Goblet.
Willy gobbler.
The goblet of fire. That's what my.
Harry.
Harry! The name of the goblet of fire? That's an NFT. I'll throw a rock at your camera. We're going
NFI,
in.
you're not flipping invited.
Not flipping
invited. Yeah, I'm not going in the water. Connor's got his hat on and he's coming out to play.
Tomorrow.
What is that laugh?
Oh, there.
I like that laugh. I look like I'm laying on your neck.
You look orange.
Oh, so do I, mate. But take the glasses, then you'll look better. Oh,
It's nice, isn't it? I like that.
went in now. Oh, she's in. She's in. She's in, mate. She's in. Go on, Olivia. Oh.
Yeah, she knows.
She knows.
You know it's too cold.
Go, Olivia. In you get in. Get.
There's no sun.
I can get in there easy.
Go on, then. In you get. Off your trot.
I'll drown.
Off your trot, mate.
You drowned.
what are we talking about?
Mum would be very happy.
I don't think Mum would be very happy. I don't think she would be either.
Such an Olivia thing to do.
What, drown? No, bro, it's such a me thing to do. I had a panic attack in the water.
It's all about you, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to make it about yourself.
This is my YouTube channel.
It's all about me,
All my
mate.
fans from last video.
You made yourself look like an absolute fool.
Get off my towel.
I'm trying my feet on it.
Hoglet. You know what hoglet is?
Oh yeah. Olivia, do you know what a hoglet is?
Because I was calling
Like a pig or something.
No, it's not.
No, yeah, that's what we
It was
do.
a baby hog. I searched it up. It's a baby hedgehog.
And it's really cute.
Right. It's now or never. No. If we're gonna do this, you have to sprint in. No, go!
Before anyone moans at me for not getting in the water, one, did not have any swimming stuff. Two, someone's got to look after all our valuable items. Just taking them for the team, you know. Not getting in that icy cold bath. She just said stay to my head. I really need a wee. I'm gonna wet myself. Gimme a ginger come sweet. We need a wee.
Mate, stop telling everyone about her and actually go.
But where am I gonna go?
There's a toilet.
Oh. I don't go by myself.
This song is amazing.
See, girls, you just got to train your boyfriends to like Disney. See that? Oh!
Yeah, but I don't want to get mine wet.
Oh yeah.
What is it? Boom, clap, boom, boom.
That's the hoedown throwdown. See? Just convert them. Boom de clap de clap, boom boom clap, boom de clap de clap. Oh, it's such a good song. Stick it, glad. Zigzag, cross the floor. What is this? Oh, for God's sake.
We should film a music video. So, like, you follow me along the beach while I'm running, and I'm like, I can actually be an actor.
No, because you don't even know where the scene is
No, I
from.
don't.
You haven't
Running
watched
away
Stranger
from a
Things 4
demi-cool.
yet. Oh God, my bladder!
You have to go in the sea, I'm afraid.
I can't laugh.
We found a random theme park.
No, it's not even a theme park, you idiot. It's a fair.
We found a random fair.
It's literally 5 o'clock, so there's going to be like only like 10-year-olds there.
Yeah, I thought that.
Freak out!
Scream if you want to go far. Oh yeah.
Why is it going so fast? Oh my God! Nathan ditched us.
That's legal. Mate, what's that one doing?
Harry!
Why'd you have to laugh?
Because I get nervous. Okay.